Oh, what a beautiful day. Speed warning, that isn't normal. I'm going to turn on my brakes so hey look, the speed warning message is gone. Pilot, what are you doing? Pilot, what are you doing?
What do you think I'm doing trying to make this a normal flight?
Okay, don't be so harsh. Pilot, what's going on? No, you aren't, pilot, you're just driving us into the mountains. AAA. This is why I hate you, pilot.
No, what do I do? What do I do? I will try to escape.
$520 deaths, 0 survivors.